Hello again YouTube. Today I'm just going to be showing you some samples that I've made, some sample packs for this Korg microSAMPLER keyboard, and I'm going to make these downloadable for you as soon as I've found somewhere that I can host them. I can't really use SkyDrive or anything like that, or Mega Upload. I think that's been closed down now for copyright infringement and things. But soon, I think what I'm going to have to do is contact my service provider, Virgin Media, and I think I've got some free web space there. So once I've done that, I'll post a link into this video after it's been posted, the video, and then you'll be able to download these. Now, you'll be familiar with these if you're into the clubbing scene in the late 80s and early 90s, round up to about 1994, 95. You'll know what these are all about because these are all rave samples. They've been recorded with the line in. Nothing's been done with the built-in microphone there. Everything's been done with the line-in sockets there, from CD players, record decks and what have you, and from mini disc as well, of various songs that I've come across on my collection, mini disc collections and things, and thought, oh, that sounds nice sampled, so I've just sampled them into the keyboard. And I'll just preview you quickly on this camera microphone. Now, I haven't got my recording equipment set up, so this is just a quick preview of what it all sounds like. So if you're interested in this sort of thing, then rave samples, and it should be a bag, you know. There's some decent sounds on there, I think, anyway. I'll leave that up to you to decide. But yeah, just some basic patterns that I've put together with these samples, and I've named the bank rave there, as you can see. There's a couple more I've done as well, techno and trance, but today I'm just going to concentrate on the rave ones. So I'll just click on play here a second and enjoy. These are the samples. Okay, so you get the general idea of these sounds. Stop that a second. As soon as I get some hosting space sorted out, you'll be able to download these from me if you're interested in them. There's some decent rave samples there to get you started off with. I'll just flick through a few of them. Let's put it in keyboard mode, sampler mode, sorry, Let's turn the volume up. As you just heard in that pattern there, you've got these stabs here from the old rave scene. Things like that, and of course you can add effects to these. So you press okay, and you've got chord layers. That's out of a very popular song, but I can't remember for the life of me what it's called. It was a trance tune. Okay, long claps, bass chords, vox and vocals there, some hi-hats and some claps to go with it. Okay, and it's a meaty drum there, a top end drum, piano chord, backing beats.
Watch your bass bins, I'm telling you. Watch your bass bins, I'm telling you. Watch your bass bins, I'm telling you.
Okay.
You must die. I alone am best.
Your name's not down, you're not coming in.
That one from the bouncer there.
Your name's not down, you're not coming in.
And we got some things down here on the white notes. Very nice backing sounds. This one's been rearranged from a popular rave tune.
Open your mind.
Open your mind. It's Quaid.
Open your mind.
I'm not sure, but I think that's sampled out of Total Recall.
Dance while the record spins. Dance while the record spins.
Some breaks. Just give you a quick demo, you know, of what you can. I know you've just heard a pattern, but just give you a quick demo of what you can do. Just have the loophole down a minute. That's the one. Okay, I can't really do much with one hand, but you get the gist of these. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more. I've got some house and techno banks that I've made for this keyboard that I'll let you download from me soon. Like I say, once I've sorted my internet provider out and I've got some download space, I'll make them all available to download. So thanks for watching, and happy music making.